Whose world is this?
Taking over, hit the landscape of the kicks and copping any bricks. Off fire you desire, my rock can maybe flip. It's easy, you never trip, get them early, I never miss no bite. But if they hot, make it to the court, they cap. Now welcome to Bobby Sneaker World. Sneaker World, yeah, Bobby Sneaker World, Sneaker World, Sneaker World.
Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy, Bobby Sneaker World, and I am back with another video. Listen, we on the road right now. We're about to try to go to the mall and pick up these University Gold Jordan 9s. Now, typically, I have no problem hitting things on the FLX program, the little subscription program. But we'll talk about that later in the video, because I mentioned something in a prior video, but I'm going to talk about it again during the unboxing. Hopefully the unboxing of these sneakers, because like I said, we're taking a huge chance. So I'm not going to do a whole bunch of recording while I'm driving, but just know that that's what we're on the road to. What we're also on the road to is 8,000 subscribers. So if you're new around here and that big button down below is still red, you're doing it all wrong. Make sure that button is gray. Come over here and subscribe to the channel, man, if you see fit. You know what I'm saying? Look around at some old content. If you like what you see, hit the subscribe button. Hit the thumbs up on your way in as well. That's what we're going to start doing, man. On the way in, just hit the thumbs up. No questions asked. If by the end of the video you don't like it, then switch off and hit the thumbs down. That's all right as well. But with all that being said, it's enough rambling. Let's get over to the mall and see if this risk that I'm taking pays off. I need these. No, I'm not smoking. It is freezing. But I'm gonna give y'all a little backstory before I go in the mall, because I'm not gonna take this camera inside, because I gotta protect the innocent. You know what I'm saying? So no, but my guy told me if I'm up here by 10, I don't know if y'all can see the watch. I got 3 minutes. If I'm up here by 10, he'll take care of me. So I'm about to walk in the mall. I don't want nobody to know necessarily, you know what I'm saying, who I'm talking to and who taking care of me. But we're going to see if he's going to take care of me or not. So I'm up here on time, but let's make it inside. Let's go get these sneakers, get back to the house, get out of the cold. All right, y'all. So it's 10:09 and he's nowhere to be found. This is an employee of said store. So I'm recording this from my phone. I didn't bring my camera inside, so don't mind the quality. I'm gonna give it a few more minutes. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. All right, guys, we made it back to the house. Y'all see what it is. Showed y'all a quick glimpse. Walking to the car. Got that size 11. Y'all can read the label. I legit have not looked in this box. They didn't open it. I probably should have had them open it at the store, but Air Jordan 9 Retro, Black University Gold. I'm not reading other colors. Black and University Gold, 190 doll hairs. Got your traditional box. You know what I'm saying? Red Jumpman. White branding. I don't think that these are limited by any stretch. If people wanted them, I'm sure they didn't have an issue getting them. Do have a lot number in there. But I said in my Heater Cheeks video that I was going for these. And to me, these are like a mixture of if the original charcoals and the citrus had a baby. Let's sit this right here. You can't see it, but it don't matter. And these are beautiful. I'll hold this right here. Hopefully, I don't know if the lighting is going to be able to show all of these dark details, but you got this all black, smooth nubuck upper, charcoal gray all around the mud guard and all around the entire sneaker. Obviously, you got this gold or yellow or whatever you want to call it all around the sneaker. These are beautiful. I'm just going to call this citrus, this color. Outsole is all blacked out, which is a great thing as far as keeping your sneakers clean, or at least looking clean. But you do have that citrus Jumpman. Now the original, it's crazy. The original is called dark charcoal, the OG. But this is darker than, no, this is called dark charcoal. And these are darker, I believe, than the OG. The citrus does have the citrus Jumpman here, but it also has white down here. So either way, I'll throw the pictures up so you can compare and contrast. It's very, very simple. Not a bunch of stuff to go over, but you do have your Air Jordan there on the top of the tongue. If I can get that to focus for you, there you go. And the insole is also, for those that care about the cardboard insert shoe tree, you got that there. 11, 11 and a half. These are a size 11. And if I can get this to focus, you do have, you're probably not going to be able to see it, but it is a yellow insole with a black Jumpman. And I'm going to throw these straight on foot, man. I'm giving y'all some good on foot action. These are super, super clean, man. Super, super clean. I was also able to hit on a couple pair on Sneakers app for some family. So, just thankful I was able to bless people. It actually keeps my Sneakers app active, my Sneakers account active, because I don't hit on anything. So hopefully that keeps that going, and maybe that'll bless me down the road for something that I actually want to hit outside of being able to get it in hand. I was lucky enough. My guy blessed me. He did come through in the clutch, man. It was a little shaky there for a second, but he did come through. So y'all let me know in the comment section down below how y'all feel about these. Like I said, I'm gonna do it on foot. I don't have any glue stains or marks, anything like that on my pair. My pair is extremely clean. I've been saying since I saw these that these were a go for me. That citrus color with this charcoal gray just hits different, in my opinion. So y'all let me know how I look on foot. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. These are fire. OVE!